How to delete billing address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes to the Apple account screen. Once the page loads, select the Payment and Shipping option to view your billing details. On the next screen, you can manage payment methods and see your current billing address. Go ahead and tap on the Billing Address section to open the editor. You can now see all the individual fields for your current billing address. To delete the information, simply tap into each field, such as street and city. Then, use the backspace key on your keyboard to clear all of the existing text. Following these steps, you can easily delete billing address on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.